Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. And listen, we got a quick video for you all. I know I've been dropping a lot of videos on the Galaxy Watch Active, but you want to see this one. Now, the FCC leaked this out. It's a photo of the actual Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now, let's take a look at the photo. First of all, remember we talked about a touch-sensitive bezel that was going to allow you to control the Galaxy Watch Active 2 just by rotating your finger around the bezel. Now, if you look at it really good, you can tell that it is not glass. It is actually like a metal material, and I want to know your thoughts. Are you okay with the metal material? Because me personally, I thought that it was going to be all glass and that we will be rotating our finger around glass but not a metal material, right? So if you look at the light that's shining down on the display, that's how you can tell that it's not all glass. I don't know how I feel about that one. Again, I thought it was going to be glass, but look at the actual icons. Now, I do not like the material design behind the actual icon. I wish they had left it a solid color, but if this is the new design, this is actually kind of ugly. But if you look over to the right, I don't see anything. I don't know what the arrow is pointing at. Maybe it's a difference with the information in the About Watch. I am not absolutely sure, but I want to know your thoughts on this one. Is this a good look for you? Are you going to buy the Galaxy Watch Active 2, or does this design make it a deal breaker? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.